Welcome and thank you for joining us to Impactful Voices. My name is Leonie. I am working for Impact on Sustainable Aviation, and I will also be the host of this podcast series. Impactful Voices is a new video podcast format hosted by Impact on Sustainable Aviation. Impact is a nonprofit organization founded in 2022, and Impact's work is focusing on decarbonizing the aviation industry. Today, Impact has more than 30 different member institutions. Impact's members are ranging from different stakeholders, from aircraft finance, consultancies, law firms, or also academia. Impact wants to connect the different stakeholders and drive meaningful collaboration to then, as a result, accelerate the decarbonization of the sector. In this video podcast, we want to bring together leading experts across the whole aviation sustainability ecosystem, impactful voices that are working on driving the transition. Aviation is critical to global mobility, and it will continue to be so. The world will not stop to fly, actually, rather the opposite. Prospects show that the sector will continue to grow. However, aviation is one of the hardest sectors to abate. The pathway to net zero for aviation is a quite complex one. It is very capital intensive. It is shaped by rapidly evolving regulations. Even though new technology developments might be promising and exciting, they are facing a lot of uncertainty, risk, and funding barriers. As you can see from that already, it can be very difficult to navigate all these factors at once. This format also wants to provide a platform to both small and large levers that contribute to aviation decarbonization. It is important to us to provide a holistic view of all relevant factors that matter to the transition in aviation. This means that the experts hosted on Impactful Voices also come from a wide variety of backgrounds across the whole spectrum of the aviation sustainability ecosystem. Each episode hosts a different expert with different backgrounds, ranging from finance, policy, science, or industry. So expect topics ranging from SAF market development, CDR technologies, aviation finance, as well as non-CO2 emissions, such as contrails. We want to talk about them all. With Impactful Voices, we want to create a space for honest, nuanced, and solution-oriented conversations and discourse on all those topics and challenges. With the experts, we want to declutter the challenges in the current landscapes and at the same time talk about potential solutions that they see and what it takes to move from current ambitions to actual implementation. The goal is not to oversimplify the debate at all. However, we do want to break down the challenges that can be quite technical and complex for everybody to understand, while at the same time remaining to have an informed and constructive discourse with the experts on the show. So as you can see, there's a lot to unpack here, and we're really happy if you want to tag along and follow our podcast, Impactful Voices. Thank you for listening in today. We're looking forward to having a lot of inspiring talks with interesting experts on this show. And of course, we're excited to have you join us on the journey to aviation's transition to net zero. Until next time, and speak soon.